Hi and welcome back. We know that integers can be expressed as a decimal, a hexadecimal, or octal, or binary. A decimal number, this is one that has 0 to 9. So you remember in one of the last videos, we said something about radices. So if you remember, a radix, that is the possible numbers that are possible in any number within that number system, within that numeral system. For example, if you want to write 9 billion, you can only define 9 billion from 0 and 9. So it will maybe be 9 billion and a bunch of zeros there. If you want to write 1 million and something, you can only use numbers from 0 to 9. That is in the base 10 number system. Then hexadecimal, these are numbers that come from 0 up to 9. And then from 9, it goes from A until F. And then in the octal system, the numbers can only use numbers from 0 to 7. And in the binary, we only have 2. That is 0 and 1. These are the only numbers you can use to express any number within this numeral system. So that's what these are. And these are the different kinds of integer numbers that you can use for defining any kind of a literal in your program. So in most cases, you'll find that you use decimals. Yeah, actually, all over the world, most places, the number system that is used is a decimal, whereby you can define any number from 0 to 9. If you want to write 19, it will be 1 and 9. If you want to write 22, it will be 2 and 2. So if I come back here to the browser, and I have this variable tax, and I've given it an initial value of 15. So in this case, the literal value is the integer 15. So if I come down here, and let me just say I use the value of VAT times 2. Then display the result, okay? Oh my god, I can't even see. Yeah. Let's say tax. It's not VAT, it's tax. Right? So tax times 2, and then I display. So that's 30. So if I decide that I want to use this number as let's say we use it as a hexadecimal number, and as a hexadecimal number, we can only define numbers from A until F, A to 9 and A to F. So the equivalent of 15 in the hexadecimal number system is F. 15 is the same as F. So if I come back here, how do I tell the system? How do I let the system know that this number is a hexadecimal number? The way that I tell the system that is by using 0 and a small x or a capital X. And as soon as I do this, the system is going to know that this number is not like any other number. This is a hexadecimal number. That's how it will be translated in the system. So if we do this same calculation of tax times 2, we should be able to get the same result. This is F. So if I do the same result once again and display, yeah, it should give us the same result as we had found when it was 15. So let's continue in the next video. And in the next video, let's go deeper into more about this. So in this video, I just wanted to do an introduction of integer literals, whereby we know you can use your number as a base 10 number, or you can even use numbers as hexadecimal, or you can even use numbers as octal, or you can use them as binary. As long as you let the system know, they will be translated and used accordingly. So let me see you in the next video, where we'll continue from here.